Okay, last but not least, you probably noticed the AeroBar is clamped onto my little pipe here to make it look like handlebars. Mounting headlights on a road bike with AeroBars has traditionally been very tough because of the space limitations. The extender bars do help out with that, since it'll get the light out in front of your pad. But you also have another option here. Using the extender bar, you can mount directly on the side of the AeroBar on the tube that's running out in front of your bike. And with it hanging down, all you need is this little angle bracket, which I just came up with, and I'm going to have a few of those made and anodized as well. But it's a nice option to get the light on your AeroBars without interfering with anything else. I kind of like that. And there's one other thing I need to show you concerning the clamps. Let's say that I saw my AeroBars here and said, aha, I'll mount to the top, which I certainly could do. But if I pick the wrong spacer, because this bar is a little bit smaller than 1 inch and I use the thin spacer, what you can see is that I'm having to take up too much of the space by turning the screw here. I could make it work, but in doing that, what's going to happen is, I don't know if you can see that, this little screw will start to protrude through the top of the clamp if you screw this in too far. And that's bad, because it will actually interfere with the spacer that slides in here and damage it. So you just want to make sure that when you're using these clamps, you use enough spacer material to get it tight without that screw poking up too high.